trying to do really is bring government services closer to the people, no, to what they need the most in terms of basic services, health and education. What we've been trying to do here in the municipality of Buluan and in the 5th District of Cebu is to really put up establishments and institutions that siguro dili na congressman, dili na mayor si Mayor Aljo, wala na taning kalibutan na naaga po ni sila ang ato ang mga hospital at ang CPU to continue to serve the people of the 5th District. And we're not just doing that in Buluan and in Compostela. In fact, I want to share some good news that naka-construct namang yun ta and ongoing pa the construction of the terminal is going to be done this year. But we're constructing an airport at this Isla sa Camotes sa San Francisco. That's another establishment that after our stint in government service naaga po to continue to serve the people of the 5th District. So, nalipan na kayo po na wala pa ganing human ang ato ang ikaduhang termino. I think ang battle cry na to ato nga Ginugus Bilis New Year 2022 na siguro na-accomplish na to karon makahatag ta og akong kausaban alang sa kalabuan sa ato ang Quinto Distrito. And with all the projects that we've implemented, including our scholarship program, our health services program, siguro makaingon na ang mga kaigsuonan nato sa Quinto Distrito nga nakahatag kita og dakong kausaban o kalambuan sa ato ang Quinto Distrito. So